Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial series, we are going to create a black hole in Unity. You can see the final result on the screen. We will be making the same black hole. I am going to write all the shaders code manually and explain you the shader as we proceed. There is already a tutorial video that create the same black hole, but he used Shader Forge to make the thing. In this video, I am going to write the shader. Link to that video will be in the description. This tutorial series will consist of 3 parts. In part 1, we will create the hierarchy for different elements of black hole. In part 2, we will create the shaders. In part 3, we will use particle system to create different elements of black hole. The link to project files will be in description. Before going further, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Unity video. And also check out my Patreon page.